So guys, you welcome over here, and this is what I wanted to show you. So this is how to fix this problem. So as you can see, I'm trying to watch a video on YouTube, and this is the video, but you cannot see, title, and also you cannot see the like section, and also the comment. You can only see the comment, but you cannot see the subscribe, like, and also share button over here. So this is how to fix this problem. What you have to do is to do it like this, then you clear it over here. So after clearing it like this, what you have to do is to go back to YouTube. So when you get back to YouTube, what you have to do is to tap on your profile over here. So when you tap on your profile, you're going to see your recent videos that you were watching. So you're watching this video, so let's tap on the video again, then tap on the play. And after tapping on it, you're going to see it's loading, and now it's going to appear over here. So as you can see, now we can see like section, dislike, download, save, and also subscribe, and the channel, profile name and profile picture, and the subscribers of the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is how to fix this problem. See you in my next video.
Thank you.